I like that.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. Queens and Kings, it is 2018. 2018 is about to be lit. It's about to be lit. Where's the lighter? What? It's about to be lit. It is about to be lit. Oh my goodness. I am just so excited for this new year. I was so excited I had to do me a little New Year's Day beat. A little beat, little something. But it is 2018. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Thank you for my new subscribers. I see y'all. Thank you for my returning subscribers. I love you all. Let's make this year lit. Let's get that subscriber count up. Let's get that view count up. Let's just be lit all the way around. Let's show love for your girl. Show love. See, I got a new little... Today I recorded this look for you ladies today. A little 2018 beat. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, just please keep on watching. watching this video. I do appreciate all of you. I really, really do. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, share it with your friends and family, share it on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook. The ways to sharing it is endless. Click the notification button. If you want to see your girl pop up on your cell phone or pop up on your computer screen, hit the notification button for your girl. That's all you got to do. That is all you got to do. If you feeling me, because I'm feeling you, that's all you got to do. That was kind of corny. But anyway, thank you all for watching this video. I do appreciate it. It's 2018. We about to get lit. We about to get lit. So always remember to stay safe and stay beautiful.